Hi, I want to be able to share with you some of the things that I have done as I've reached midlife and some of the things that have changed for me. And one of those things is definitely my hair. Thinning, graying, of course, the inability to hold dye. So my solution was to start wearing wigs. So one of the wig companies that I have depended on, and this wig is approximately a year old, is Joicehair. So I have a review I'd like to do for you on this Joicehair wig. And it is not a sponsored review, but I like to be able to share with you the things that I'm using to be able to assist me as I need to make these changes in my life. So here we go. Review of this Joicehair wig. Okay, we're ready to get started now with this wig review. This wig is from Joicehair, and I've had this wig for, I would say, just a bit over a year. This wig I wear, well, I would say not every day, but at least maybe 6 or 7 times a month. This is more when I want to be a bit more dressy than the regular, I wear this wig. I'll soon share with you my day-to-day wig that I also wear. So this wig is a really nice wig because it is easy to style. There are no issues with tangling or shedding. Easy to brush out. I just use a basic paddle brush when I'm brushing the wig out. And starting from the end, of course. And it is a body wave texture, 16 inches. And the color, when I ordered it, the color was just called Natural Hair Color from Joicehair. And like I said, although I've bought this from Joicehair, I have not received any type of a contribution or I would say remuneration. I haven't received this. This is not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me giving you or sharing with you some of my solutions, some of the things that I use on a daily basis to help me with all this graying that you see here, that when I put dye, the dye doesn't stick. It won't stay in my hair. It's like 1 or 2 washes, the dye is gone, and that's the end of the story. So we have 150 density, 16-inch body wave texture from Joicehair. This wig is 165 US dollars. So if you're in the UK, or if you're in Europe, the EU is going to be more reasonable than that. The shipping is, no matter how many wigs you buy, the shipping is 25 USD, and it's very fast shipping. And the next thing I can tell you about this is that the wig is definitely easy to style because this wig comes with a middle part, and I was able to add here these, we call them bangs or fringe myself, taking my time and just cutting. You can see it's 5x5 lace. I've added some foundation here, and I didn't bleach the knots. Now I have a daughter that can do that for me, and she keeps promising she'll do it. So hopefully I'll have the knots bleached soon, but you don't really notice it that much. You can see that they have the combs in here on the side, and that helps you line up the wig. And they also have another comb here on the back, as well as we have the elastic band, which is adjustable, and those other regular bands that you have within wigs here on the side. You see these? So I use the combs more than anything, and this big elastic band in the back, and I don't have to put any pins in at all. No hairpins are necessary. It's not moving. It's not giving any difficulty. It is very, very easy to wear. Very easy to wear. And like I said, easy to style. I haven't tried to use any type of curling implements in it, or to actually straighten it or anything so far. I have washed it once and it was fine as far as easy dry. Didn't use any heat to dry it. Easy dry, and also easy to actually just brush out once it is dry. I just let it air dry, and literally this is how easy it is to put on. Now, of course, I brushed it before. I showed it to you before, but on a regular day, literally, I'm just pulling it onto my head, putting it down, and maybe brushing, like I said, from the ends up. Brushing little by little from the ends up. That's it. And it is good to go. I really prefer to use wigs that have fringes or bangs because I really don't like that idea of, you know, a lot of glue or anything, worrying about my edges. Also, if you see my own hair, my hair is gray around the edge, so then that would be definitely obvious. So I really appreciate the fact that I was able to easily put a bang into this wig, a fringe into this wig, and that allows me to have the ease of use of the wig and not having to worry about the hairline here, not having to worry about the lace in the front and disguising the lace, gluing it down, and all of those things. So this is a wig I would definitely recommend. Like I said, I use this wig frequently. I'm very, very happy with this wig. I really enjoy using it because I think it looks good. I like the length of it. Normally I wear a shorter wig on a daily basis, but when I'm ready to go out and, you know, enjoy, not have to worry, this is the wig that I'm putting on. So again, this is the Body Wave Joicehair 5x5 HD lace, 5x5 HD lace with Remy Body Wave natural color, 150 density, 16-inch wig from Joicehair. Again, not a sponsored video, but this is one of the solutions that I've used on a daily basis to assist me with the changes that I've felt going as I've been getting towards midlife, where my hair is not the same. It's not the same. So this is something that really has helped me, and I wanted to share it with you. So anyway, let me know what you think. I'll put the information down in the comment in the section below or above, depending on where you're watching this, and you'll be able to look at Joicehair, see what else they have to offer. Again, thank you for visiting. Take care, and bye-bye.